Today, I will show you exactly how to withdraw from your Exness account fast in 2025, 2026, whenever you're watching this video, the steps to follow and what to avoid. Make sure you stick to the end of this video because you'll find this video helpful. Let's go straight to the video. So first thing you guys take note of is, note the same way you used to deposit your trading account is the same way you will use to withdraw. Please put that at the back of your mind. The same way you used to deposit, that is also the same way you used to withdraw. If, for instance, you use online bank transfer to deposit, make sure you use online bank transfer to withdraw. If you use crypto to deposit, make sure you use crypto. If you try using crypto to deposit and you want to try withdrawing with online bank transfer, my brothers and sisters watching this video, is going to be rejected and it's going to be refunded. So don't get your funds rejected. Make sure you use the exact way. If you use a card like your debit card or your credit card to deposit, that's the same way you used to withdraw. So let's go straight to this video. And please note, quick one, I will show you how to deposit into your Exness account step by step. But listen carefully, if you don't have Exness account, I have dropped a special Exness link in the description and in the pinned comment section. When you register with this link, you will get an account and also you will get exclusive bonuses from me, like my beginner trading guide, access to my private support group, and personal help if you get stuck when trying to deposit, withdraw, or verification. So make sure you use the link in the description to open your Exness account before you continue this tutorial. By the way, you will click on the account you want to withdraw from. So in today's video, I just want to withdraw $190. So it's from this M25 account. You select the account you have money in. So now see the rate of $198. So I just want to withdraw $198. You can see this account. This is one of my Exness accounts. So make sure you not skip this video and make sure you watch till the end. So note, I'm going to recap again. The same way you deposited, the same way you should also try to withdraw. So now you just click on withdraw. So when you click on withdraw, you see different way like online bank, USDT, Bitcoin, Skrill, Skill Pay, and the rest Ethereum. So I use online bank to deposit. So that's what I'm supposed to use to withdraw. You can see no $198. So firstly, guys, let's take the rate of $1 as for today's rate. So today's rate, $1 is 1,523 naira. So I want to withdraw all the money in this M55 account. I grew it from $70. So make sure you join my Telegram group where I draw free trade setup for free. So guys, in total, that's 302,248 naira. That's what I'm expecting in my account. So $1 rate is 1,522. So they'll send a OTP code either to your SMS, to the SIM you use to register the number, or to Google Authenticator, any security you set. You understand? So I prefer using Google Authenticator or my number. So I'm going to send to this number. I want to get the code. So guys, I've pasted the code. I've gotten the code already. So confirm. It's loading. Okay, it's already going. And network is quite slow tonight. So by the way, if you are new and you're just watching this, don't forget to sign up with my link. Many people watch this video and still struggle with trying to verify the accounts through me. But with me, I will guide you through the direct access for you anytime, any day. So don't miss this. Pause this video, click the.
Now you will select the bank you want to use to be credited with. Like I've selected Access Bank, your account number, the name was tally with the name of your document, the name you used to verify your Exness account, not that.
Create your account and come back to finish this video now to withdraw. So you can see our transaction is in progress. Guys, the funniest thing is within 3 minutes you've gotten your money. That's why I do recommend always use online bank to withdraw and deposit. It's the fastest way to deposit and withdraw to Exness. Guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel because I'll be dropping new videos that will help. Scroll through the channel, you'll find a lot of videos like strategy and the rest. So make sure you use online bank to deposit and withdraw. See you guys in my next video, and also don't forget to like this video and comment where you watch this video from. Bye for now, great people, young billionaire.